Namaste. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the question, do I still have Devi's grace if bad stuff is happening to me in my life? Now the answer to that question is knowing what are you training for. So whenever a lot of bad stuff starts to happen in your life, ask yourself, what am I training for? The reason you need to ask yourself this question is because Devi is always training her children, that is us, in something or the other. Okay, she is a mother who loves to do that. The Divine Mother, she loves to train her children, watch them learn and grow and also fall down and also get up again. So she's definitely training you for something, especially if you're practicing Devi Sadhana. And when you know what that is, then you'll be able to realize that it's actually a challenge. And instead of trying to escape your problems and running away from it, you will come face to face with this challenge. And then you can go after it, all guns blazing. So an example of a challenge that I have faced is cultivating feminine discipline. So I watched my parents who have a lot of discipline as a child, and I grew up and I've been able to inculcate that in my life as well. But I didn't know how to do it in a feminine way. And that's what I learned from Guruji, and with Devi's grace. It's all about knowing your cycles of the womb, to prioritize all activity in the first half, which is the follicular and ovulation phases, and in the second half to have thinking time and learning time, the tamasic activities like thinking and learning, in the luteal and the period phase. In the period phase, you shouldn't be doing any activity which involves your hands or your legs or your tongue, which are all the organs and the body parts of Kriya Shakti. So this is an example of how, because of discipline, because of the importance of discipline that I learned as a child and a lot of challenges that I faced, I realized how important discipline is, and now I've been able to go after learning about it even more and to see how to do it in a feminine way. And so I was training to learn about feminine discipline. I was training to learn to do it the way Devi likes it. And that's the challenge. Now the challenge also is for me to teach this to other women. So that's what I'm training for. And yeah, there's a lot of other things that you might be training for. If you have something that you want to share, then drop that in the comments. I would love to read it. I will reply to them all. So ask yourself, why is this stuff happening to me? What is Devi training me for? Alright, thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to this channel and follow me on Instagram. Jai Shri, Jai Mahakali.